If you've been assigned to find a specific article for your course, you will probably need to search for the title of the journal in which the article appears. In this video, we'll go over how to use DiPietro Library's Journal Finder feature. First, be sure you have the complete citation for the article you need. In addition to the article title, you'll need the journal title and volume and issue numbers. For this demonstration, we'll use this citation on the screen, The Effect of Birth Order on Personality and Leadership, published in 2019 in Volume 19 and Issue 1 of the Journal of Organizational Psychology. To access Journal Finder, let's head to the DiPietro Library homepage. Using the search bar in the center of the page, select the Journals tab. Then enter the name of the journal, in this case the Journal of Organizational Psychology. Then click Find. If DiPietro Library has access to the journal, you will see it listed on the search results page. We see the Journal of Organizational Psychology listed at the top of the page. So we will click Access Journal. This will bring you to a page that lists all years, volumes, and issues for which the library has access. Referring back to our citation, we see that this article was published in 2019 in Volume 19 and Issue 1. Back on the journal page, we will select the plus sign next to 2019, then select Volume 19 and Issue 1. When you click on the issue, you will see the articles listed. Scroll until you see your article. You can click PDF to download a copy of the PDF to your computer, or you can click the article title and email it to yourself using the email button on the right side of the page. If you have questions about finding a journal in the DiPietro Library databases, please contact us via text at 603-413-2787, via email at reference@franklinpierce.edu, or via the chat function on the DiPietro Library homepage.